I'm waiting for it, Jack. Why is it whenever I try and capture it, you won't chase him? Well, thank you for the tail. There you go. Up you go. Jack, you're obsessed. You're obsessed with your cookies. That was good. So yeah, I must give you credit. You've really trained Brodie to sit nicely. The two of you sit so nicely together. Fix your hair. Fix your hair. There you go. Okay. Jack. Oh, Brodie, fix your hair. Come on. There we go. Okay. Sit. Good boy. Okay, now I gotta deliver some to the girls. Maddie, oh, fix your hair. There you go. Couple for you. Ellie. All right. Yeah, that's what Jack is. Jack's the snack police. When Jack decides it's snack time, everybody gets snacks. Jack, you're not eating your snacks. Oh, you were just being thoughtful and giving them to the dogs. Okay, lie down. Lie down. Down. All right, here we go. Oh, gotta go get somebody at the front gate.